In today's video, I'm going to show you the radicals of 8 middle key in array input method, and 8 middle key on your keyboard is letter K. Okay, so the middle is the fundamental keys. So number 8 is right falling. The last stroke right here is right falling here. And other than that, we have person and different directions and 2 dots. Okay, so let's begin with the first one. The first radical I'm introducing in A middle key is 8. Okay, so you see this is the number 8, and in Chinese character this is also 8. So right here you can see 8, 8, and 8. Okay, so the first one we begin with A middle key. Continue, we have a knife in the middle. Knife is 7 lit, 7 middle. And last one, exception 3, 3 middle space. Okay, next one, cross top, so 4 middle. Continue 8, A middle. And last one, just like this one, 7 middle. And space. Alright, next one, this is a dot 6, 7 lit, so 6, 7. 6, 7 is at 6 lower. Continue 8, so we press 8 middle and space, first one. Alright, the next A middle key radical is right here, these 2 strokes. Without a hook, you'll see 2 fundamental key. Left turn 2 has similar, but number 2 has the hook. This one 8 does not, so here, here, and here they don't have hooks. Alright, so for this one, it begins with 1, 2 radical, 1 horizontal, 2 left turn. 1, 2 is at 1 upper. And then the rest, 8 middle key, space. Next one, very top we have 4 cross for middle. And continue, this is 4 cross and 1, 4, 1. 4, 1 is at 4 upper. And these 2 strokes, A middle. And last one, this is a 9, 8. 9 is left falling, 8 right falling. So 9, 8, 9 lower, space. Alright, next one, left hand side, this is 6, 1. Dot 6, 1 horizontal. 6, 1 is at 6 upper. And continue, this radical is 2, 6. 2 left turn, dot 6. 2, 6 is at 2 lower. And continue these 2 strokes, 8 middle. And last one, just like this, so 9, 8, 9 lower, space. Alright, next we're gonna have person. Okay, like this one, person, person, and in the middle right here, person and person. Okay, so in this case we press 8 middle first, and the rest, this radical is 3, 1. 3 vertical and with 1 horizontal. 3, 1 is at 3 upper and space, second one. Next one, very top, we have this 0, 4, 0 square, 4 cross, 0, 4 at 0 upper. And continue, this is person, 8 middle. And last one, 3, 3 vertical. 3, 3 is at 3 upper, space. Next one, water, 3, 8, 3 lower. Continue wood, 4, 8, 4 cross, 8, 4A is at 4 lower. And then we have this person, so 8 middle. And last one, this is a 3, 8, begins with 3 and end with 2 dots. 3A is at 3 lower, space. Alright, next one, left upper, we have 4, 1, 4 cross, 1 horizontal. 4, 1 is at 4 upper. Continue, this is a 3, 8, 3 vertical, 8 right falling. 3A is at 3 lower. And continue, we have this person right here, so 8 middle. And last one, these 3 strokes are left falling, and we pick the first and the last, so 99. 99 is at 9 lower space. Okay, and the next one is person, just like this one, person, person, person. Okay, a little different like this one. Okay, see, this one goes up like this, but they are all persons. Okay, so this one begins with 6 1. Dot 6 1 horizontal, 6 1 is at 6 upper. And next one, this is a 2 9, 2 left turn, 9 left falling, 2 9 is at 2 lower. Continue person 8 middle. And last 2 stroke 3 3 3 upper space. Next one we have a 7 lit top, so 7 middle. Continue person, so 8 middle. Space, third one. Next one, 2 person right here, so 8 middle twice. And last we have a 4 1, 4 cross, 1 horizontal. 4 1 is at 4 upper space. Next one is the person on the side. You can see person, person, person. Okay, person on the side. Okay, so in this case, 8 middle first. Continue. This is a 1 9, 1 horizontal, 9 left falling. 1 9 is at 1 lower. And continue. We have square, so 0 middle space. First one. Next, left hand side, still the same, 8 middle. And then we have a 3 vertical, so 3 middle fundamental key. And then this one is a 9 8. 9 as left falling, 8 as right falling. So 9 8 is at 9 lower. And last one we have a 4 8. 4 cross 8. So 4 8 is at 4 lower and space. Next one, left hand side still the same, so 8 middle. Continue, we have a square 0 middle. And last one, this is a 3 8, 3 vertical and end with 8 right falling. 3 8 is at 3 lower space. Alright, the next we are gonna have is this one. It's the opposite of person, and this is also a 8 middle key radical. Okay, so in this case, water 3 8. Continue, this is a 4 1, 4 double cross and 1 radical. So 4 1 is at 4 upper. And continue, we have a 7 lit, 7 middle. Alright, we've done 3. We go to the last one, which is right here. This is also a middle key and space. Next one, simple. So 7 lit first, 7 middle. And then 8, 8 middle space. First one. Alright, the next 8 middle key radical is 2 dots right here. You can see on the top 2 dots in these directions, right here, right here. Okay, so for this character we begin with 8 middle and continue. This is a 5 1, 5 right turn, 1 horizontal. 5 1 is at 5 upper, and this stroke right here is a 5, so 5 middle. Alright, we've done 3. We go to the last one, which is right here. This is a left falling, so 9 middle and space. Next one, very top we have dot 6 1 horizontal, 6 1 6 upper. Continue middle, 2 dots, 8 middle. And next we have a 7 lit, 7 middle. And last one, this is a 6 5. So 6 5 is at 6 middle and space. First one. Next one begins with 6 1 dot 6 1 horizontal. 6 1 is at 6 upper. And 2 dots in the middle, 2 middle. Continue, we have a 7 lit, 7 middle. Alright, we've done 3. We go to the last one, which is square. So 0 middle space. First one. Alright, continue. 8, a little different compared to this 8 right here, but What I'm introducing right is also 8, you can see, and here in the middle these are also 8 at the bottom. Okay, so for this character we begin with 9 3. The upper part begins with 9 left falling and end with 3 vertical. 9 3 is at 9 upper. Continue, we have 1 horizontal, 1 middle, and last this is 8, so 8 middle space. So the first stroke is right here, 1 horizontal, 1 middle, and continue we have this 8, so 8 middle, and next one we have a 7 lit, so 7 middle. Alright, we've done 3, we go to the last one, which is right here, 9 8. 9 8 is at 9 lower and space. Alright, continue. 2 dots on the left hand side like this, and here are also 8. So in this case we press 8 middle first. And the rest is water. Water is 3A, begins with 3 vertical and with 2 dots on the right hand side. So 3A is at 3 lower space. First one. Alright, the next character begins with 5 1. 5 right turn, 1 horizontal. 5 1 is at 5 upper. And the next stroke right here is a 5 middle fundamental key. And continue 2 dots right here, so we press 8 middle. Alright, we've done 3, we go to the last one. These 2 dots again, so 8 middle again, and space. Alright, next right here is a 5 right turn, so we press 5 middle. And in the middle, this is a vertical cross, so we press 4 middle. And continue, here's a 5, so right turn 5 middle. And last, we have 2 dots on the right hand side. This is also 8, so we press 8 middle space. Alright, next one, 2 dots right here, so these are also 8 middle. Okay, so we begin with water, 3A, 3 lower. And the next radical is 9 9 9, left falling again, so this is a 9 9 radical. 9 9 is at 9 lower. And next one, this is a 9 2, 9 left falling, 2 left turn, and 9 2 is at 9 upper. And last we have 2 dots, so 8 middle space. And the next, and also the last 8 middle key radical is right falling, just like this one, right falling, and right falling. Okay, so for this one we begin with a 5 9. The first stroke 5 right here, right turn, and last stroke is right here, left falling. So 5 9 is at 5 lower. And continue, we have this 8 right here, so a middle space. Next one, this is a 7 lit, 7 middle. And this stroke right here is 8, so we press 8 middle and space. Second one. Alright, last one. Begins with 9 9, so left falling again. 9 9 is at 9 lower. And continue, this is a 2 6, 2 left turn, dot 6. 2 6 is at 2 lower. And the last stroke right here, 8 middle and space. Alright, that's all for the 8 middle key radical in array input method. And it's letter K on your keyboard. Alright, if you have any questions, you can comment down below. And I'll see you in the next video. Bye.